Hello everyone, I'm Ase here, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to use the support ticket to lodge complaints and get help from the admin. So first we log into our account. So this is my username and then my password. In finish loading, I'm here at my back office, so I look for the support ticket menu from the menu. So this is it. I'll select it and here we are. So all this you're seeing here are requests this person has made that has not been attended to. As we are seeing pending, and the approved is the one that was attended to. So for instance, if we click this, we can be able to view what was responded. Okay, so this is the response. You can see support reply is also here. You can choose to delete this support or not, so let's just delete it and let's make a new one. So this is how to make it. We click to request support. When you click that, it will load the page, and here we choose the category. So we're picking general support, and the priority is high. We need it to be responded to urgently. So what's the subject? Let's say downlines, for instance. Okay, it's something you can type anyway. So let's say email issues. You come here and say hello admin, please help fetch my email address for username agbo001, for instance, and then thank you. So once this is done, I will scroll up and click submit. So it has been sent. This is it here, number 15. So when the admin officer sees it and replies, I will get an email notification directly to my email. Then I can log into my account and come to click view support. So this is how to use the support ticket menu. We look forward to seeing you in our subsequent video. Thank you.